Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making the foundations solid. Update your Quest 2 and the Xbox or PC, and put everything on the same fast network, preferably 5 GHz or wired. Once done, enable remote features on the Xbox console and sign into that same Microsoft account on the Xbox app for PC. Make sure the PC is awake and the Xbox has sleep set to allow network connections. These steps let your headset reach the console. They remove the biggest connectivity blockers before you move to linking the headset. Now you establish the streaming path. If you use a PC, launch the Xbox app and choose console streaming. If you prefer cloud gaming, open Edge in the Quest and load Xbox Cloud Gaming. Next, link the Quest, enable AirLink in Oculus settings and pair with your PC, or plug a USB-C link cable and accept the prompt in headset. Once connected, start streaming the console cursor or cloud session. Make minor latency adjustments in the Oculus or virtual desktop settings so controls stay responsive. You're finishing by optimizing and knowing what to do when things fail. Start your game and tweak stream quality. Lower bitrate reduces lag, higher resolution sharpens visuals, so pick what feels smooth. Connect your Xbox controller via Bluetooth or USB. Map buttons if a mismatch occurs. If you hit stutter or disconnects, reboot the headset, PC, and router, switch the console or PC to wired Ethernet, and close heavy background apps. This single troubleshooting move, using wired LAN, fixes most latency and dropouts quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.